A container of mass 150 kilograms hanging from a steel cable attached to a crane is accelerated vertical upward from rest. Very important. From rest, meaning the initial velocity of the object at this point was 0 meters per second. Through a height of 12 meters, meaning delta y, or 12 meters, against a rough brick wall as shown in the diagram below. So this brick wall is rough, meaning the object will experience a frictional force. Now, the container reaches the maximum speed of 5 meters per second after being lifted to a height of 12 meters. Maximum speed, maximum final, V final, over 5 meters per second. Now, there's a lot of information that you are given here. But define a non-conservative force. What is a non-conservative force? Is a force for which the work done in moving an object between 2 points depends on the path taken. So le force idependa kule path ethathwa yile object leyo ke esiyimuva between 2 points. So yini leyo? Ama non-conservative forces sine-tension force, sine-applied force, sine-frictional force. Sikhuluma ngani? Sikhuluma ngama non-conservative forces. Ithini-ke indaba? Ithi draw a labeled name one non-conservative force acting on the container as it lifted. Ubungabala tension, ubungabala frictional force. Okay. Ithi indaba-ke, draw a labeled free body diagram showing all the forces acting on the container as it is accelerated upwards. Ukhumbuleke, le container le sithe kune-frictional force laphaya. Kune-force e-exertwa yilolu bonda kule object, and leyo force ibheka le siyibiza ngokuthi normal force. Ngaso sonke isikhathi, normal force is perpendicular to the surface, and this is the surface, and the normal force will be perpendicular. In this case, the normal force will be horizontal, not vertical. Bese siba nani? Ne-tension force. Bese siba nani? Ne-weight, Fg. Bese siba nani? Ne-frictional force. Frictional force is always parallel to the surface, and this is the surface, and opposite to the direction of motion. Siya phezulu, frictional force siya phansi. So mabefuna a labeled free body diagram, sizobadwebela thina sine-tension eyaphezulu, sine-frictional force. Enye into esinayo sino-Fg, enye into esinayo sine-normal force. Buka babe ku-3 marks, but it's okay ngoba siyazi into esiyenzayo. Sijwayele ukuthi uma ku-3 marks kuba ama-force awu-3, but in this case akubanga njalo. Yini-ke enye elandela lapho bathi-ke, if the tension in the cable is 10,000, calculate the work done by the cable to move the container to a height of 12 meters. Calculate the work done by a tension or a cable. So work done by tension is equal to a tension delta x cos of theta. Tension yethu 10,000. Izohamba ibanga elingakanani le object? 12 meters. Cos of what? Now, the direction of motion, we are moving upwards. Tension is moving upwards. So the angle between the direction of motion and the force in question is 0. Ngakho laphana sifaka ubani? No 0 degrees. And so it's about 10,000 times 12. So total 120,000 joules. Indaba ithi-ke state the work energy theorem in words. Now you can state the work energy theorem. Ungayisebenzisa nansi formula. W net is equal to change in EK. The work done by a net force on an object is equal to the change in object kinetic energy. The work done by a net force on an object is equal to the change in object kinetic energy. Now, siyisithethile njalo. Imvama-ke uma sebekunikeze kanje basuke ngaphansi befuna uku-apply leyo formula leyo. But njengoba ne-non-conservative forces ngenhla besibuzile ngayo, nayo futhi singayi-apply, besi-apply yona non-conservative force formula. So, but use the energy principles only to calculate the work done on the container by friction while it is moving to a height of 12 meters. So nansi indaba ezokwenzeka. Sizothi WNC is equal to change in EK plus change in EP. We have work done by a tension plus work done by frictional force only. Ngoba this sikhuluma ama-non-conservative forces. If tension ibingekho bekukhona i-friction, la bekuzoba khona i-work done by frictional force, and sifuna i-work done by frictional force. Ngabe uma siyivula kuzoba u-half m Vf squared minus Vi squared plus mg H final minus H initial. Isikhala sizongishaya. Now, work done by tension, 120,000 plus work done by frictional force, half i-mass object esikhuluma ngayo. Object 150, 150. Final velocity, maximum velocity, 5 squared. Initial, we're at rest, plus mass 150, 9,8. Final height, 12. Initial height, 0. So, ngashaya lento kwi-calculator yonke. 0,5 times 150, 5 squared minus 0 squared plus 150, 9,8, 12. Yonke le nto inikeza 19515. Thatha leya 120 uzofika sewu-negative ngapha. 120,000. Work done by F. Work done by F is equal to 1, 2, 3. minus 100 joules. So this is the work done by a frictional force, guys. This is the work done by khumbule phela frictional force is doing a negative work. Ingakho nje izoba negative kanje. Ingakho izoba negative kanje.